Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here, back with another video. This one, I'm going to show you how to rank any YouTube video fast in 2018. So, I don't want to make this video long and boring and teach you stuff that you already know. I want to show you things that will actually help you. So, first thing I want to show you, there's two different ways to come up with different keywords. And the second thing is I'm going to use a thing right here called TubeBuddy, okay? You can see it right here. And if you want to go check it out, you can get the paid version or you can get the free version right here. Out of all of them, I'd recommend this star version. I think that one has get the best bang for your buck. If you pay yearly, you get it for like $180 for the year. Anyway, so if you want to check that out and also get the free version right here, there's a link in the description box below. You can get it. First thing I do to come up with keyword. So let's say say my topic is dogs. Okay. So we're going to choose dogs. So first thing I do is best dog, and then you hit space. Okay, just come up with a couple kind of keywords. So best dog would be my main keyword, and then hit space, and it would show all these other phrases, these other words that go with it. And so what you could do is you can click on these and you can try to rank videos on these, but I'm going to tell you right now, these will be very difficult. And the other thing you can do is you do this underscore, hit space, and it puts other popular keywords in front of best dog. Okay, so that's another thing you can do. But what I'm going to do, I like to go after long tail keywords. So what this means is there's very little competition. They're usually a longer phrase. So instead of like best camera, it would be best photography or best mirrorless camera for 2018 or best mirrorless Sony camera in 2020. Okay, that would be a long tail keyword. So let's see, affordable dog. Let's click on fencing. Okay, because that would be something that you could talk about the fencing. You could potentially sell it. So here is. You can see I have vidIQ up here as well, and it will probably pop up some other stuff, but that's what this is. So one of the things I'm going to show you, one of the reasons why I'd recommend getting the star account is because it's going to show you this. It's going to bring you up, give you this number based on the search volume and the competition. So right here it says it's a very good keyword to go after. So let's kind of dissect this information. So affordable dog fencing. The nice thing about this is if you create a video on this, you could potentially sell, and send people to Amazon or to some website, to Petco or PetSmart or wherever, to sell the dog fencing. Okay, so that'd be a great way to make some money from your videos. Right here, there's about 5,500 results. If you went to make money online, it has 20 million results. Okay, which means it's very bad. You want this to be very low, okay? So affordable dog fencing. Okay, so it's very low, the results. So that means you should be able to get your videos hopefully within the first page, okay? And preferably obviously in the first few. But look here, this person has 86 subscribers. He did a video a year ago and there's 51,000 views, okay? But do you see anybody that has affordable dog fencing in their title? Build cheap and simple dog fence. No. I don't see anybody that has affordable in here. So what this means is it'd be easy to rank for. You come here to the keyword stats and it will tell you the most subscribers, the least subscribers, how many keywords are in the title. 0 out of the 16 from that page. Keywords in description, 0 out of 16. Keywords in tags. Let's go and look. It says 16 out of 16. Let's get out of that. Let's make that a little bit smaller. So right here in his tags, he doesn't have affordable dog fencing like we have up there. He has cheap dog fence, easy dog fence. We can come click on this. This one is from TubeBuddy. You can see it right here. So he's number 1 on easy dog fence, number 2 on cheap dog fence. And we can even go in and look at these things right here. Okay, easy dog fence. This is another one. It says very good. It's actually easier to get into than the other one. Come here to the stats. Okay, building cheap and simple dog fence. There are some keywords in the description for easy dog fence. There are more results, but there's probably going to be a little bit more of a search volume as well. Easy dog fence ideas. Now, here's where I'm going to give you some tips to really rank for this stuff. One of the first things I would do is I'd come here to keyword stats, and I'd take this channel name right here. I'd copy it. Okay. Again, I'm probably going a little bit fast, but I'm going under the assumption you've created YouTube videos before and that you understand what I'm kind of talking about. So, easy dog fence ideas. So, this person, it says, as far as TubeBuddy is concerned, it says the top channel right now is Pinot Dan Safras. Okay, this person right here. So, one of the things I would do, if I was going to go after easy dog fence ideas, I'd come up here to the -- video. I'd see what they did right. Okay, so I'd come in here and see what they did right, what they did wrong in their video, and I would improve upon it. The next thing I would do is I would use some of their keywords right here. So I'd use dog fence designs. I'd use dog fence ideas, inexpensive dog fence ideas. I could use DIY dog fence ideas. But then for one of my keywords, I'm going to use like easy dog fence ideas. Actually, let me pull up a notepad. So one of the things you want to do is you want to have your main keyword, and then you want to have keywords or secondary keywords that kind of tie into that. So what I do is easy dog fence ideas, simple dog fence ideas, best dog fence. Let me get those. Simple dog fence ideas, best dog fence ideas. Then one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to paste. Remember, I copied and pasted this person's YouTube channel name, and I'm going to put it in the tags as well. Okay, because I'm pretty much what I'm trying to do is not only outrank this person, but if someone comes on this page and they see, okay, here are the next videos that are up. One of the things that happens when you do this, and I would only do the first person, the only first account, okay? And the only reason why I do this, and so another little tip for you guys, is when you write your description. So let's say you do that, and then you do, let's say your channel is Betsy's Dog Walker or something. You'd put your channel name in there as well. Then the next thing you do is you do a few more. Okay. You do all your 500 character counts. So those are your keywords for your description. One of the things I would do is you write your whole description. Okay, you write your entire description. Obviously that doesn't make sense, but you would write your entire description, and you'd preferably use at least your main keyword. And I try to put your main keyword in there 3 times, and I'd put your couple of your other keywords in there, and I'd at least use 5 of them. Okay, so you have your 3 main keywords. So the easy fence ideas will be in the description 3 times. As far as your other keywords, so these ones, let's say you have and these 3. Okay, so you have 5. Put those in your description 1 time without stuffing them. Okay, what I mean by stuffing them is, let's say, let me give an example. So if you are here to see these easy dog fence ideas, then you are in luck. I have a bunch of great ideas in store for you today. Make sure you check out some of the simple dog fence ideas on other channels as well. My advice is to watch this, Pinot Dan Safras video here. Okay, and then you'll link to her video. Now, let me make this a little bit bigger. One of the reasons why this works is because YouTube does not want you just copying someone's, being that they're the first person on that search, they don't want you just copying their name or their video title exactly and pasting it into the tags, okay? That's kind of a spammy tactic. But if you are actually talking about this person either in the video or in the description, which we're going to link right to her video. So what this means is you are recommending her video. So when people come from your video to watch her video, what's going to happen is Google and YouTube is going to look at as, oh, people that like your video also like her video. They keep going to it. So chances are the people that watch her video would probably like your video. So you'd show up in her suggested, she'd show up in your suggested videos as well. And also at some point, the whole goal is to outrank her video. So hopefully that helped you there, okay? The other thing I would do is down here in the comment section, one of the things I would do is I would put the first comment. So let's say Easy Dog Fence Ideas. So what I would do is I'd come in here and you can do something, a little fancier. Let's say you do this, okay? Question of the day. Okay, which one of these easy dog fence ideas caught your attention the most? Let me know. Okay, so one of the things I'm doing here is I'm also putting the keyword right here in the comment section, and what I'm gonna do if this is my channel is there's gonna be 3 little dots over here. I'm gonna click on them, and the first thing is gonna be pin, I believe. So you pin your comment to the very top. It's gonna sit there and people will be able to see this every single time. Question of the day, which of these easy dog fence ideas caught your attention the most? Let me know. And they're gonna go and comment, and by more people commenting, what's gonna happen is your video is gonna get more engagement. So YouTube's gonna look at it and be like, oh, this video must be good. People are commenting, they're liking it, they're watching the entire video, they're going to see a subsequent video, they're finding it in search. So there's 5 things people are doing right there. And then if you go here and you just start sharing the video over on Google Plus and Pinterest and Blogger and Reddit and Twitter and Facebook and Tumblr and StumbleUpon and LinkedIn and all this stuff, what's going to happen is your video is going to start moving up the search engine, okay, the search ranking. So let's say that was just dog fencing ideas. Let's try another little dog example really quick. I know this video is we're already 12, 13 minutes in, but hopefully hit that thumbs up button if you're learning something so far, because I know a lot of people try to rank their videos, but the biggest problem they have is that they don't understand exactly how to do it. One of the biggest things that I think most people forget about. Now let me give you one. That's a huge and horrible description. Anyway, let me give you one tip. And this is something that if you watch me here on my Homemade Entrepreneur YouTube channel, if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button also. But if you watch me, one of the things you notice is I'm always recommending stuff inside the description box. The problem with this, and by providing links to sources outside of YouTube, is you take that traffic off of YouTube. The biggest problem with that is YouTube wants people to be on their site. So one of the things you can do, and the reason why I highly recommend you provide a link to another video, even if it's not yours, is simply because it shows YouTube that you brought in a quality person, a quality viewer, and they're not just going to watch your video, they're going to go watch somebody else's as well. So they're going to be on YouTube for longer. That's the whole point of YouTube. YouTube makes money by people watching a bunch of videos, by seeing a bunch of different ads, and having a high user engagement. Okay, that's how they're making money, by people staying on their platform and being able to, they can advertise to them multiple times. So let's do one other thing. Let's do like repelling. Best repelling gloves for beginners. Let's do that one. Let's see over here. So this one says it's 71. There's very low competition. Look at this. Only 1,000 results. 8 best climbing gloves. Best gloves for ranger school. Maybe, do people not use gloves for rappelling? I have no idea. I'm not a climber or rappeller, but anyway, I'd assume they would. So this would be one that there's not a lot of search results or a lot of search volume. There's very little competition, as you can see right here. Another thing you can see is just based on, let me explain some numbers to you really quick. So EasyVid Wiki right here, 309,000 subscribers. Has this video, 8 best climbing gloves 2017. There's less than 5,000 views, and it was done a year ago. So with somebody like this that has 300,000 subscribers, what this tells me is it might not be the best topic to get into, but it would be easy to rank for. So if you're just looking for a topic idea to rank for, this might be one that you want to use. Let's go try another one. Let's do easy best automated cat litter box. Best automatic cat litter box. Let's try that one. So this one right here, you can see for the competition, there's 12,000 results. I like to look for anything that has under 25,000. Okay, if you're starting out, do anything that has under 25,000. Okay, as you get more subscribers, you get more people. You really have a theme around your YouTube channel. What you can do then is you can up this to 100,000 or 500,000 or whatever. Okay, based on the theme for your YouTube channel, how many of your subscribers keep coming back to watch your content and all that stuff. Okay, so this one right here, I wouldn't go after this one if you're new because it's a 50 out of 100. I try to get anything over 70. Affordable automatic cat litter box. Let's try that one. So this one was 64, but you can see right here there is 261 results. Okay, so no competition, and the search results is showing like nothing. Okay, so DIY cat litter box cover. Let's do a cover. Okay, look at this one. Very low competition. It's under the 25,000. There's some search volume. That might be a good one to go after. All you need to do, and like I said, go get TubeBuddy. Okay, let me show you again. Go down to the thing below, the link in the description box below. Go check it out. At least get the free one. Okay, that's going to help you at least a little bit. But I'd highly recommend that you go and get the star version, because look at all the stuff you get. Okay, look at all this. Like I said, and also you get TubeBuddy Mobile. It just came out of 2 days ago, I believe, which is pretty cool. You can go check it out. It will be free, so you won't pay the $2.99 a month. Another thing you get, if you know who Nick Nimmin is, okay, he's over at Tuber Tools. Go check his stuff out, because normally you pay $20 a month, or you pay to have certain effects or certain graphics and stuff like that. You get a lot of these for free. Another thing is there's this YouTube starter kit. Okay, if you don't follow, I don't remember his name. Anyway, you probably know who he is. Pretty cool graphic right there. Anyway, so his stuff free, 50% off assets, and then you got YouTube stock, which is 50% off, and then Audio Hero right here. Okay, free. So a lot of stuff again. And this is the star. This is the star version right here, $19 a month, or wrong one. Or if you pay yearly, okay, it's $15.20 a month, which is $182.40. So again, it's a pretty cool tool. But anyway, I highly recommend it for anybody that is thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Let me show you. So for anybody that's thinking about starting a YouTube channel, Will Smith started a YouTube channel, I think like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago, something like that. Anyway, he has already 800,000 subscribers, only 11 videos. Now you're probably thinking, well, this is Will Smith. He's a very popular guy, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, all this stuff, Hollywood star. Yeah, that's true. But why did he start a YouTube video? Why did he start a YouTube channel? There's a lot of celebrities starting YouTube channels right now in 2018 simply because it gets them out there faster. It's doing more than Instagram. It's doing a lot more than Facebook. It's doing more than a personal website. YouTube is a great way to show your personality, show who you are, teach something. Okay, so if you are not on YouTube right now in 2018, moving into 2019, 2020, 2021, whenever, you need to get started today. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.